Good day. So, next step's completed. Got the new front sprocket on. Got the nut Loctited and torqued to spec. And also reinstalled the lock nut with that Allen screw. Also Loctited and torqued to spec. Right, next step is to break this chain. There's many ways you can do this. I just used a Dremel tool on the master link. I ground off the heads of those rivets with this. And then just take a chisel, there, just like that. And that's how I broke this chain. Other ways you can do it. I'm not saying this is the only way you can do it. Many ways you can do it, but however it's done, remember safety first. Okay, so then I can take this old chain off and install the new chain along with the new master link, and use my RK tool to make sure it's installed on properly. Proper riveting tool I have made by RK. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.